Baka piposian, lagu kumaa diozu ay tabinay ko ngapi. Greetings to you. In all the song that I have composed, I try to be what we call versatile in my composing and in my way of writings, and I try to explore many genre of my songs, and one of that kind of genre that I would love to try it out, and I managed to compose one of that Kadazan song, is the genre of reggae, reggae tune, reggae style, and with my friends, they give us a good melodies. This is the only reggae genre song that Kadazan song which I composed, and I don't know with other Kadazan composer whether they have done it throughout the years, but I composed this song about 2 or 3 months ago. The title of this song is Mimpuavang, means to get rich. So there is a story behind it, and there is a message behind it that, yes, indeed, God wants us to prosper. As a matter of fact, the Bible says that the blessing of the Lord make us rich, and it is the blessing of the Lord. But there are people who have wrong motive in getting rich, and so, but there is people who have been successful and rich because they do a decent work and they get a reward of it, and God's blessing is upon their life. And so this is a story how I wish that you can understand my language, Kadazan language. But Mimpuavang means people want to get rich, and there are pros and cons in it. So enjoy this song. This is a reggae song. So far my only Kadazan song in a reggae style genre. So it's like a trial basis for me whether I can do it. So enjoy.
Wabang sodo ko luang, sundong ay sodo lusang. Mingkuntaw kosong yan ko daw bohubon, ulotok no ginangaw miyaga daw muhaw. Isap no maninong tuhun daw ginumuan. Oko daw tuhunga ay so tampo huhu. Isap to so no papoy sabat sinukuan. Mo musaw au umahata ka daw tuhun. Anu na kumagabang nung otoboy mimpulokis. Ko'y pimagkampubang nonoko bubang. Pinobang nakututuku do huguan. Sinanang tuhun o boho di tilusang. Ay so guno o vay ahong tivo. Ay so tutok mana ko paninduazan. Isay o gyot o kotumbazan. Ko'y buhay may buti sa huguan. Puavang, tomoy mo hizab no daw mimpuavang. Tikita daw mo gyung napolahan. Mantat pagguhuto di pon mimpuavang. Puavang, tomoy mo hisab no daw mimpuavang. Anangan mo gyud na pinobangan. Mantat pagguhusuko da puavang. Sundong sa lisang pangopi lay kaban. Ay sokuvang ko buvang do mimpuavang. Tuhun mintong pinuavang kinovangan. Nga ingaton, ay gumunog ikaw bang subay o tuduvan. Minghahasuko bang dotong o puavang. Kada ko duong takah diyong kolongkol. Odoy odoy, puavang, tomoy mo hisab no daw mimpuavang. Tikita daw mo gyum na polahan. Mantat pagguhuto di pon mimpuavang. Puavang, tomoy mo hisab no daw mimpuavang. Anangan mo gyud na pinobangan. Mantat pagkuhuso mo puro puavang. Ay so hasamin puavang. Nung ginawo o puavang o tingadan. Bala ka to si mamanta Tuhan Kinoingan Linga dan to si mamanta demi namangun Kada oi hita kada kotos tong pamagunan Alata kada gang kada no po ginabonu Povang iginabo iti kamu ke posison Aumi hoga tangon iti pinuabang no sunduban Puavang Tomay mo hisab no daw mimpuavang Tikita daw mo gium no polahan Mantat pagguhuto di pon mimpuavang Puavang Tomay mo hisab no daw mimpuavang Anangan mo gium no pinuabangan Mantat pagguhusuko do puavang Kakalon sikaw na kunung au puavang Ay kumikum ko na kunung ay solusang Sogono o konklusin man na pinuavang Kotos pinuabang olwayo nung pasandaw Ginabo di opuabang anaw nung pasandaw Ay sotovit oy kotim pumatay Puabang